Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on notifications for Outlook. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure you have an account and you're properly signed in on Microsoft Outlook. And if you do not already have an account, ensure that you create a free account or you just go through the process of signing in by logging in via your Gmail, passwords, and phone numbers, and whatever other information would be required of you to get properly signed in on Outlook. Outlook is one app that you want to have on your phone or on your PC to enable you schedule meetings, send emails, and do a world of activities. Now let's get straight into the video. Now, to show you how to turn on notifications on Microsoft, you want to first of all get yourself logged in to your Microsoft account. So this is what it looks like. This is your Microsoft Outlook. This is what the interface looks like. Now, to turn on the notifications, all of these kind of activities happens on your settings. So you want to head over to the top right corner over here where you have the gear icon and click on settings, and a list of activities would be lined up on your screen. Now head over to general. All right, and then you would see a list of options over here. Click on notifications, and as you can see, my notification button is turned off. So what we want to do is turn on the notification. So we just click on this toggle bar over here and click on, and as you can see, we can get new email and mentions. We can get notifications on calendar, that is event reminders. We can get notifications on documents. If any file we've sent out has received comments, we can edit those comments and we can mention on our email. So this is how you can turn on notification on your Microsoft Outlook, and when you're done, just head over to save, click on that, and that will be permanently saved on your Outlook. Now if you head over here, you would see the notification bar up here on your main page, and you would see if you have any form of notification, it will be displayed in this bar. So this is how you can turn on notification on your Microsoft Outlook. Remember, notifications are very important to give you reminders without you having to come up to this page to open it up every single time. So do well to turn on your notification and go ahead to explore your Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye for now.